there, Shahy. Welcome to Shahy's Easy English. Today we will be looking at another Esol lesson, okay? Now today we will be looking at the months of the year, cardinal numbers, okay? If you don't know what they are, then stay tuned. And the prepositions and some other little things. First of all, I'm going to tell you the months of the year. Let's start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So the last month is called December. I think you knew that already, right? Okay, so all the months have either 28 days or 29 days if it's February, 30 days and 31 days. So do you know which month has how many days? Do you know? Okay, we English have a rhyme that we remember, okay? So it goes like this. 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February, which has one day more in a leap year. Okay, so what month are we in now? We are in July. So 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31. So July is in all the rest of the months. Okay, so July has 31 days. It's a nice rhyme, don't you think? I do. Okay, so now we will look at the cardinal numbers, okay? So I'm going to pronounce and tell you all the cardinal numbers from 1 to 31. That's all you're going to need when you talk about the dates in a month. Okay, so let's go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. Shall I say that again for you? 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st. Okay, those are all the cardinal numbers you are going to need when you talk about the date. When are you going on holiday? I'm going on a holiday on the 2nd of August, okay? Or the 30th of November or whenever it is. So see, we're talking about prepositions now. Already we are into the preposition. So when you're talking about a date, we say on, and then we say first, second, third, whatever the date is, and then we talk about the month, okay? I'm going on holiday, I wish, on the 2nd of December. So we have to say it like that. Or you can also say my birthday is in November, which means it's in that month. But when we talk about the date, we say on the day. For the day, we say on. And for the month, we say in. Okay? When is your dentist appointment? It's on the 27th of April. Okay? Oh, what month is it in? Okay? It's in February. I know February is already gone, but it's just an example. So there you go. When we talk about the date, we say on. And we talk about the month, we say in. It's as simple as that. And if you want to leave your example sentence in the comments below, then feel free. So there are 12 months in a year, and the 12 months are divided in seasons, okay? So we have spring, when all the flowers come out. Summer, when it's very hot. Okay, autumn, in England, the leaves fall down in autumn. I don't know about your country, okay? And in winter, when it's very cold. Okay, so in spring, in summer, in winter, in autumn. So when we talk about the season, okay, we say in. And so we've come to the end of the video. Remember to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, and remember to subscribe if you didn't already, okay, for some more awesome lessons. And thank you for everybody who's been watching and supporting and subscribing. Hope you have an absolutely wonderful, wonderful day. See you soon and bye for now.